with MedEquipmentDirect.com. I've got a couple nebulizers here today. The first one we're going to talk about is a standard in-home nebulizer. Nebulizers are simply devices that use air to turn a liquid medication into a vapor, and that vapor is breathed by the patient. This is a standard nebulizer. This air compressor plugs into a wall outlet. On and off switch is here. Air comes out of the front. The nebulizer kit for this particular unit is very similar to any kit used on any other machine. They're all very similar. Some just look a little bit different. This one, 7-foot tube. Both ends of the tube are the same. We put one end of the tube here onto the compressor, the other end into the bottom of the medication cup. Lastly, on the top of this, we're going to put a mouthpiece. The liquid medication comes in a vial. Your pharmacist will go over more detail with the medication on you, but you can spin that top part off. You'll pour your medication in here, middle or outside. Doesn't make a difference. Once the medication's in there, you cap it, turn the unit on. That vapor comes out of here. The patient will breathe the vapor until the vapor is no longer coming out. It takes probably about 10 minutes for a treatment. When the treatment's over, you turn it off and you're done. You're ready for your next treatment. There's a little bit of a cleaning regime with it, but it's not difficult. So this is a standard nebulizer. Maybe something for somebody that's on the go, or what seems to be really popular are parents with children that have asthma but maybe play soccer or baseball or volleyball or softball, whatever the case might be. For those people, they have a nebulizer that is portable. Similar to the machine that we just looked at in the fact it does the same thing. It's going to use air to turn a liquid into a vapor, and that vapor is breathed, only this one is quite a bit smaller. There's the unit. It can also be plugged into a wall outlet to run. It can be plugged into a cigarette lighter inside a car, and it can run on that. And lastly, what makes this unit so unique is it can be run on a battery as well. So like I said, ideal for parents of athletic children, or even maybe some of you where you live somewhere where power outages might be somewhat regular, or maybe your asthma is severe enough you can't really afford to be away from the medication at all. This is a great option. We can snap the battery onto this thing. Plugs right into place. Like the other one, there's a little hole for the air to come out of. This is our on-off switch up here at the top. This is the kit, and it might look amazingly familiar. Very, very similar to the one that we just opened before. Like I said, all the kits might look a little bit different, but they work pretty much the same exact way. In here we've got the 7-foot tube. That part's the same. Really where we start to get different is with the mouthpiece. Now the mouthpiece plugs directly into the front here. But similar, half turn, pops off, medication goes in there. One end of that tube down here on the bottom of the kit. The other end of the tube right there onto the machine. And you're set. This is a great unit. Like I said, it enables the user to have a treatment done anywhere. You no longer have to be concerned about being near a power outlet every 4 to 6 hours. You don't need to be concerned about like an asthma attack that kind of comes out of nowhere. You're not reliant just on your rescue inhaler. You can actually do a full treatment anywhere you want. If you're out of battery juice, you can still get to a car, you can still get to an outlet and use it like a standard nebulizer. So it's a great option for a lot of parents out there, a lot of people out there. And again, both these units are featured on the website, MedEquipmentDirect.com. So please send us an email, or if you have any questions, you can leave a comment at the bottom of this video. Thank you very much.